In this guide, I'm going to show you how to unlock skills in Murder Duels on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. With all notifications on, it really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, in order to, of course, get these in the first place, you're going to need coins. And to get coins, you need to just keep playing rounds. If you're having issues winning rounds, what I'd recommend doing is moving around quickly and just using your pistol as much as possible. As long as you're holding angles, you will win pretty much every single round. But the faster that you win those rounds and the faster that you just complete those matches, you're going to get more kills, and then of course you're going to get more coins, and then you just got to go into skills right here, and you just got to find a skill on here and purchase it with those coins. For example, I could get an exploding knife. I'm not going to, but that is really the entire process. You'll see how much one of these cost, and then of course how much coins you have right here, and that is it. Purchase it, it'll say owned, and then you just equipped it just like so. That's really the entire process. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let's know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.